everybody's like, why is she talking to herself in her car? Because that's what I do. It's fun. You should try it sometime. I haven't done this in forever. Probably also really should have brought my my mics. I've got new mics. Hey, hi, hello, and welcome back, sparkly peoples of the interwebs. My name is Ashleigh, and this is Hello Sparkles. It's a little different than usual because that's not my usual sign in, sign on, and I'm looking this way at the camera because I'm trying to get used to this again. I am here at Michaels, and I'm bright and early. They just opened. They're gonna be like, oh my god, they're one of those early birds, but I see a ghost right inside the door. I want to wait a couple more minutes. There's people working on the old Bed Bath & Beyond over here, and I'm really wondering what it is. And they almost slammed themselves into the building. Anyway, I'm gonna go in here and look at Halloween, and hopefully they have it. And I know they have some because my sister sent me some pictures, and I'm very excited to see it. I'm super excited, and my purse is like scratching against my steering wheel. I hope you guys have been having wonderful, wonderful days on in. I know it's been quite a while since I've been on here. I have been having a time. So I just took the break I needed. Stuff happened that was just unfortunate, and I was just like, well, I'm gonna vlog the fun parts of this. And then it was just like, I don't want to share this. I might do like an overall, like, this is what's been going on since I've been gone kind of video. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know, it's 9:10 maybe. Maybe that's enough time for me to be sitting here that I can go in there. I don't know. I look a little bit like a wreck. I don't know. Oh, my eyes look real tired. I'm going now. This is the stuff I had last year. It's like witchy. Look, Cook's back. He's making stuff. Oh, they have a moon this year. It's pretty big. That's new. This is all like stuff they always have. It's like always the week making witchy stuff. It's always fun. I did not find anything. Pull my seat back because that make me better. I did not find anything that I absolutely had to have at Michaels. I found things that I want, but like I don't ever get them because I know me. I wait for them to go on clearance if I can, or on sale or whatever, and see if I can get them at the cheapest possible price that I know I can. However, a lot of that stuff is just, it's getting, I love Michaels, don't get me wrong, but it's getting overpriced. It's getting overpriced for the quality that it is. And so I pulled up beside me. So now I gotta look like I am not talking to myself. La 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 la. Just get my stuff out of, like, I'm gonna see if I can put a little clip in there where like the little skeletons are like sitting like this on the toilet or whatever, or on the bench. I have skeletons almost the exact same quality, weight, and everything I got from the Dollar Tree, if not last year, the year before last. These are $12.99 skeletons, and the ones I got, granted, are like yoga poses or whatever, but they're, I mean, they're the exact same quality. I'm not paying $12.99 for this skeleton because it's sitting on a toilet, or it's, and it has got a crown on it. No, and a phone in its hand. Like, it's just not that great. I mean, some things are super cute, and I could see like the bat disco balls. That's super cute. I would love to see if I could DIY that. There's a lot of things I want to see if I can DIY. I think I might try to see if I can do a couple of those items. It just depends on how my season goes and how things end up for me. But right now, I'm going to go in here into TjMaxx because that's where I pulled up now. That's where I'm like, I left Michaels because a bunch of cars ended up pulling up beside me. I was the only car in the parking lot, and then all of a sudden everybody pulled up. So now I'm gonna go into TjMaxx, and apparently that's where everybody is in TjMaxx, because the entire parking lot is full. So let's go in here. See if we can find any Halloween. Because I am burning up. I am no longer at TjMaxx, but we drove away. I had to go get a little bit of something to eat. I am sitting in the parking lot of Walmart so I can eat my food and talk to you guys about what I saw at TjMaxx. There's only a little bit of Halloween out, but I have never been that early where I saw just a little bit of Halloween. That is so freaking exciting. Like, the quality of skeletons here for $7 or whatever it was, like $8 or whatever with tax, and versus $12 at Michaels. I mean, come on. We like, that's what I was talking about before I went into TjMaxx, the quality or whatever. I mean, they're both whatever. They're close, but I mean, the size in which I'm not gonna be paying $12, $12.99, $13 for a tiny shitting skeleton. Pardon my mouth. I'm just not. And it's not happening. And that's just, it kind of irks me that they're doing that. Like I said, I like Michaels for their craft stuff, like, and I love looking at the Halloween stuff. I love it. But this other crap that they've got going on where they're jacking up prices because so in everything right now it's really irritating me. I mean, and I understand, like, inflation and everything else is going on because it's really pissing me off, but it's getting ridiculous. It's getting real bad. It's getting real bad. And that should not be happening. I guess it's making me more mad than it should be. These people are just driving by and they're like, why is she talking to herself in her car? What is going on? So I'm going to eat, but I did see all the great things, and I loved them, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna go eat and do that. I hope you enjoyed this quick little vlog and enjoyed going out with me. I think this is my last little stop for now. I just wanted to wrap this up. Yeah, I was gonna go to Ross, but I am worn out. So yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give all the videos I ever post thumbs up, and comment down below like what you're looking forward to seeing in stores besides what I've found. I know tons of other people have found things already. I mean, I'm just excited I've seen some things because I just haven't been able to go out and see things yet. So just tell me what you guys are excited about. I'm excited. I'm excited that it's already like July and I'm already seeing things. I feel like I've seen things in July last year, but it's just everybody else started seeing things in June and it didn't happen here. That's fine. That's fine with me. Everybody else gets to see things at home and everywhere else, but not me because it's too far away. Whatever. I digress. I'm getting off topic. I'm supposed to be signing off. Okay. Bye, guys.